Look at that. I'm
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
throw up.
Fro.
I need some glasses. I can't even tell whose hair that is. That's not all. That's Milo mixed with. Oh, I don't even know. If you get a German Shepherd, I know your vacuum looks like that.
It's because that mane, Karen.
No, it's not just Popeye. There's no way.
Milo's hair is not gray.
Milo's hair is gray.
That's the
You
Floofenhogen.
want to go see? I can prove it. Look at all that hair in the bathroom, and it's gray. That's all there is, though, is that. You're supposed to be doing this, not me.
I don't know how to change the transmission on a 76. I only know how to work on the 2000s or better.
I bet. Sounds like some bullshit. Alright, that's it.
Yay!
Use that same knife to cut up your onions.
That's all, folks.